Hey YouTube, I'm Joshua Santos and I have an awesome project for you guys. So, for my analog class, I created an audio mixer with two channels. This allows me to input two different audio files and I'm able to combine them and output them out of a signal. So, I'm going to give you the basic construction of it and we'll make some noise. So, for my first part, I have the first stage. This stage is known as the buffer stage. So we are able to input our two signals based on our two channels and regulate the differences of current that comes out. So right now, if I increase or use this potentiometer to increase the resistance, it decreases the sound that comes out. And with that, vice versa. So decrease the resistance, increase the sound, so on and so forth. Okay? Next step is the second stage, which is this half of the board. With this stage, I can grab my two channels and increase the output of those channels by increasing the gain. For this demonstration, I'm only using a 2 gain and a 10 gain for my two channels. So if my sound is only small, I'm able to double it, combine it along this channel, and then using this op amp mixes them together. Finally, I have my third stage, which is my power amplification stage. As you can see, there's a lot of capacitors with this, but these capacitors are simply just to reduce the noise levels. With this stage, it's essentially only just using this amplifier as an increase in output. I can use this potentiometer as a control knob for the mixed signals to, of course, increase the sound or just deafen the sound completely. Of course, you're not here just to hear words, so I'm going to put out a sample wave and mess around with the noise with each channel. So we have a simple sound coming in. This is coming into our bottom channel, as you can see. So as I was saying before, this potentiometer controls the volume of it. So by decreasing this, decreasing the potentiometer, if I can get it, I can decrease the sound, and then of course increasing it. Increases the sound as well. I can also change the gain. So, increase the gain, decreasing the gain, increasing the final volume, there we go, and decreasing the final volume. Of course, this is the same for the other channel. So, to save you some time, I'm just going to do it for this channel. Okay? So, let's finally get some music going on. So, I already have two different sound files I'm going to use. So, to start off, just a simple drum beat. This is coming into my top channel. So, as I said before, I can mess around with the volume by decreasing this potentiometer and increasing it, of course. And then I can also put on something through my other channel. Just 1 second. Turn this up. So we have our 2 sound files in. Let's decrease this one a bit so it mixes a bit better. Let's increase the gain of our piano top of the Moonlight Sonata. And easily increase the gain of our drum beat if that outweighs it. And, of course, increase the mixed signals sound. Of course, we have to be mindful about the quality of our speaker, because it could easily saturate the sound, depending on how much power we put through our system. And that's how you'd create an audio mixer. There's a few data sheets online that you can find to create the 3rd stage, and just as easy with the 1st stage and the 2nd phase. And there you have it. There's my project.